Hey there, this is Amanda Harris, founder and CEO of Froliage, and I'm coming to you today to show you how I clean my beauty blender sponge. So I'm starting off with this soap called Fells Naphtha soap. You can find it in the grocery store. It's a laundry soap bar, so you'd have to find it near the laundry detergent. Now, I have not cleaned this beauty blender sponge in a long time on purpose to show you how well this Fells Naphtha soap will really clean your beauty blender sponge. Now remember, it's really important to keep your beauty blender sponges, your makeup brushes very clean, before you put them on your face, and especially if you maybe are a makeup artist and you're doing multiple people's makeup. This is super fast to just clean the makeup off in between applications for your sponge. Obviously, probably wouldn't be able to clean your brushes in between because you have to allow those to dry, but a beauty blender sponge can definitely be used damp. A lot of people do that. It helps to blend the makeup a little bit better. To some people, I use it either way, wet or dry. But just to remind you, this video is in real time. I did not speed it up at all. This is super quick, super easy, and I love it because a bar of Fells Naphtha soap, as you can see, it's not really using very much soap to clean the beauty blender sponge. But this soap also has a lot of other uses. I googled it, and some people might grate it and drop it in their laundry when they're washing clothes. There's so many other things. The only reason how I got introduced to this soap is that growing up by the beach, when my father and I would go to the beach, there's these little mites called chiggers, and they're really itchy. So my dad would always have us all wash with this soap after coming back from the beach to kill the chiggers. So that's an interesting story, but I always remember that soap, that yellow brick soap that we used to get rid of chiggers. It is safe for your skin, even though it's a laundry soap, although I wouldn't advise to use it too much to bathe with, only because it will dry out the skin. But perfectly safe to use for your beauty blender sponge. And it looks like we're almost finished here already. I remember when we started, that sponge was almost completely brown, but now it's back restored to its original light green color. Thanks for watching. Remember to shop Froliage.com.